Hi guys, I'm Sonyu from You Can Speak Korean. Okay, 한국어 뭐뭐다 동사 100개 100. Okay, let's begin. Alright, today number 3 is 되다. Number 3, 되다. 되다. To be, become, turn to, ended up, doing. Okay, verb ing. Ended up, verb ing. Okay, 되다. 되다, become in English, become. The definition in an English dictionary, okay, definition is to start to have a feeling or quality or to start to develop into something. Okay, so on my own, I broke down the become. Okay, like this: be and come. Okay, come is like precondition, and be is being existence. Okay, so due to the precondition, being or existence can be done. Due to the precondition, being or existence can be done. Okay, that is become, right? And in Korean, 되다. Okay, so A becomes B. It's something like result or outcome. Okay, so like in this slide. Okay, so precondition is time, 시간, below zero temperature, and heat and water together. Okay, in the pot. Alright, so cup, due to precondition, okay, and becomes male lion. Okay, 되다. Okay, 새끼 사자. cup, 되다, male lion. Okay, below zero, 물, water, 되다, what? Ice, autumn. Okay, and rice, 쌀, 되다, what? Steamed rice, hot, like this. Okay, so in this sense, can be 되다 in Korean. Okay, alright, so 되다 is like the final result of something or someone. Okay, remember, 되다 is final result. Alright, how to conjugate 되다? 돼, ends with e, vowel e. Okay, so combine with 어요. Alright, so tar is removed. Okay, and 돼 plus 돼요. So finally, 돼요, present tense. And 돼요, you can write 돼요. You can write 돼요 as well. Okay, it's a shortened form of 돼요. 돼요. Alright, so let's check the conjugation and tense. Okay, present tense. 현재 시제, present tense first, right? 됩니다. 되어요. shortened form, 돼요. Okay, 하면 돼요. 되고 싶어요. 되고 싶어. 반말. 하면 돼. Okay? 되고 싶어요 and 되고 싶어. Actually is I want to. Be. I want to be. Okay? I want 싶어요. And to be 되고. Okay? Alright, in simple past, 되셨어요. 되었습니다. 되었어요. Okay, 되었어요. shortened form, 됐어요. Alright, and 반말, 됐어. and 되었어. Okay, and future tense, 될 거예요. Okay, and 반말, 될 거야. Okay, example sentences, formal. 존댓말 first. Okay, present tense. 한글 열심히 공부하면 돼요. 한글 열심히 공부하면 돼요. Okay, 운동하면 돼요. 전 가수 되고 싶어요. 여기서 담배 피면 돼요. Okay. And simple past, 과거. 우리 아버지 이제 70세 되셨어요. 70. The number. 70. Okay? 70세 means 70 years old. Okay? 존댓말. Okay, 70세. And next one, 저 한국 시민 되었습니다. 제 동생 가수 되었어요. 9시 다 됐어요. 한국어 잘하게 됐어요. Okay? And future tense, 미래 시제, 전 댄서 될 거예요. 전 배우 될 거예요. Alright? And English translation, okay? So all you need to do is just study Korean language. Okay? 한글 공부하면 돼요. All you need to do is just work out. Okay? 운동하면 돼요. Alright? I want to become a singer. Or I want to be a singer. You can smoke here. Here, smoking area. Okay? So, you can smoke. 여기서 담배 피면 돼요. And past tense, my father turned to 70 years old. My father turned to 70. Okay? In Korean, 70세. I became a Korean citizen. My brother became a singer. It's almost 9. I ended up being good at Korean. Alright? And future tense, I will be a dancer, I will be an actor. Okay? Alright. And 반말. 한글 공부하면 돼. 운동하면 돼. 난 가수 되고 싶어. 우리 딸 이제 15살 됐어. My daughter turned to 15. Okay? Like this. 반말 15살. 15살. 오케이? 15살. 걔 한국 시민 되었어. 내 동생 가수 됐어. 9시 다 됐어. 한국어 잘하게 됐어. 오케이, 나 댄서 될 거야. 나 배우 될 거야. 나 배우 될 거야. 나 댄서 될 거야. 오케이? Referring to 15살 here. Okay? And I put the link. Okay? Above. Alright? For you guys. Okay? You can check it out. Okay? Korean numbers. Right? 15살. Okay. Interrogative. Okay? Intonation up. Always. Alright? 되세요? 되세요? 돼요? 돼요? 하면 되나요? 하면 되나요? 하면 되나? 돼? Okay? And simple past. 되셨나요? 되셨나요? 되었어요? 되었어요? 됐어요? 됐어? Okay? Alright, for more 존댓말. 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 나이가 어떻게 되세요? 나이 is age. age. Okay? age. 나이, age. 나이가 어떻게 되세요? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Okay? 이름이 어떻게 is how. 이름이 어떻게 돼요? 이름이 어떻게 돼요? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Alright? 이제 뭐 하면 돼요? What am I going to do next? 집에 가면 되나요? Can I go home now? Okay? 이름이 어떻게 돼요? What's your name? Alright? Or 이름이 어떻게 되세요? Okay? 이름이 어떻게 되세요? 이름이 어떻게 되세요? Alright? Okay, and past tense 준비 다 되셨나요? Did you prepare everything? 면접 어떻게 됐어요? How did the interview go? How did interview go? 어떻게 됐어요? Okay, final result. Alright, M 반말. 나이가 어떻게 돼? 나이가 어떻게 돼? 나이가 어떻게 돼? Okay? 이름이 어떻게 돼? 이름이 어떻게 돼? Right? Or you can ask like this. 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 오케이? 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? or 이름이 뭐야? 이름이 뭐야? 오케이? Right. 이제 뭐 하면 돼? 집에 가면 되나? 집에 가면 되나? Right. 준비 다 됐어? 준비 다 됐어? 면접 어떻게 됐어? 면접 어떻게 됐어? 면접 어떻게 됐어? Okay? Alright, that's all for today. Okay, blah blah, 다 verb, 되다. Number 3, 되다. Okay, so I want you to practice a lot. Okay, watching over and again. watching this video. Alright, okay, so if you have any question, okay, so leave your question in the comment section. Alright, and I will answer it later. Alright, thanks for watching, okay, and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.